Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you some most attractive and stunning ideas of crochet baby frocks. You will see very attractive and beautiful full flare frocks designing ideas in this video, which are full sets. You will see most of the designs with hat and shoes, and some of the designs are with headband as well, like this one. And in some of the designs you will see full cardigan jacket along with frock set as well. So different kinds of designs are included in this video, and all of them are really unique and attractive, and these frocks designs are mostly embellished with different types of accessories, like you will see ribbon bows on most of these designs like this one also. And you will see different types of lace patches and fabric patches which are attached at the bottom part of frock to make ruffles looking very attractive and gorgeous due to a light or a bit darker color scheme of the actual yarn shade. So all of these designs are unique and I hope you're gonna love them all. So just give this video a big thumbs up if you like these designs, and do not forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. So press the red subscribe button to get future notifications of new uploads. So just take a screenshot of any specific design which you like the most and you want to make. And if you know crochet work, you can easily make them. These are not that difficult patterns. Most of these designs are having a yoke made with half double crochet stitch, and double crochet stitch is also used in some of the designs. And then all you need to do is just making two double crochet stitches in each of the stitch of yoke pattern for bottom part of frock, and then continuous increasing pattern are used to make these flary frocks and full volume frocks. So different kinds of border edge patterns are made in them. You will see most of the shell stitch patterns designs for bottom part, and all of these designs are having flares and ruffles. Most of these frocks are having attractive crochet flower work, so you can take ideas about crochet flower works as well. Do let me know in the comments if you are interested in seeing tutorial videos of these. Thank you for watching. Bye.